A case study on first-in-human high cumulative dose allogenic mesenchymal stem cell therapy in multiple myeloma. By CBO Jean Wang, Nicolas C. Hasu, CBO Michelle Wang, Ming Chu Hasu and Funan Wang. This case reports the results obtained from a relapsed multiple myeloma (MM) patient treated with high cumulative dose allogenic mesenchymal stem cells (MSCS). MM is a highly malignant cancer characterized by the proliferation and accumulation of monoclonal plasma cells in the bone marrow along with end organ damage due to the underlying disorder. The plasma cells proliferate in the bone marrow and infiltrate the kidney and other organs, can result in extensive skeletal destruction, renal failure, anemia, hypercalcemia, and recurrent infections. Despite the remarkable progress in the treatment of MM with the availability of novel agents and hematopoietic cell transplantations (HCTs), an overwhelming majority of patients relapse, and the disease is generally considered incurable. Here we report a case of a 57-year-old male with relapsed MM previously treated with standard of care therapies including high-dose chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and autologous HCT. Based on our previous success with mesenchymal stem cell (MSC) based therapy and its favorable safety profile, allogenic MSC infusions were offered as a treatment option. A daily dose of 5.0 times 10^8 MSCs was slowly administered intravenously for about 1.5 hours to the patient for 10 consecutive days. 3 months after the treatment, his laboratory results had returned to within normal ranges, and an MRI showed complete resolution of the lesions. In this study, we showed that a significantly more intensive intervention with respect to both the individual MSC's dose and the frequency of dose administration is an effective treatment strategy for MM. There were no significant adverse effects after administration of MSCS during the course of treatment and follow-up. The patient has since been cancer-free and no longer suffers from osteoporosis, which is usually a lifelong complication for patients with MM. This first-in-human study showed that a high cumulative dose of MSCS is a safe and curative treatment for MM. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.